guys, Backyard Scrapping here. I'm just doing a quick mail call. I already ripped the box open because it was hard to get into. So this is from LemonHead Penny. I'm not going to go into too much depth about it because we did a trade, but I'm actually going to let him tell everybody what's going on in one of his later videos. But it is more silver than a card, I guess, for me to melt. Hey, half a $10 bill. So let's see. Something in here. It says, thanks for being so nice and thought. That's cool. What is that? Let me read the card first. It says, Dino, the pooch on the front made me crack up. And the card, it says, so doggone great. It says, and the card is fitting. I watched how much work went into this. I'm going to pass on that. I am humbled forever. If you ever need anything, coins, money, hold, I'm your man. Thank you, brother. Love and respect, LemonHead Penny. Alright, like I said, I'm going to let him go into a little more detail. I need to put this in my safe with the rest of my cards and letters. Let's see what that is. This says American Revolution Bicentennial, 1776. This is Sons of Liberty. I can't see the fine print. Let's get my headset on. Join or Die. RM. This is American Revolution Bicentennial. George Washington. That is really cool. That's a pretty coin. It looks like it's made out of the same stuff the gold dollars are made out of. But I will have to look that up because I am not familiar with that, but it's a heavy coin. It feels nice. Well, thank you very much, LemonHead Penny, for that. I appreciate it. I don't have anything like that, so that's a unique. And then I know this is the silver that he sent for our swap out. And I told him just some junk silver for the even swap. So this way I got something more to melt, I hope. Hope you didn't send me nothing pretty, Travis. Which he probably did. He raps like me. I like that. Don't want to cut anything up. Yeah, I told him just to send anything he had that was meltable. So there's a little bar. I was not specific at all. And that's perfect. still like to open packages. It's still fun, even if I am going to melt them. There is a really toned out 89 American Eagle. I wonder what that was in. Oh, not a maple leaf, it looks like. Yeah, we got a maple, $5 maple. It's got some milky on it, so that's a goner. Got another maple in here with some milky on it. Well, you actually did better than I do. And we got another eagle. Whoops, we got a bar. So 4. Another milky, 5. Perfect, Travis. This is absolutely perfect. Good. No hard decisions here. I like it when things are easy. And another Cull Eagle. So, there we go, guys. Get this stuff out of the way. We got some little bars that can go bye-bye. Some milk spotted maples. And a couple of Cull Eagles, so we're in good shape. Alright, my friend, like I said, I appreciate you getting this to me. I'm going to let you finish telling everybody what's going on when you're ready to post your video. And we will get back at you guys in the next one. So have a great day. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm off. I got to work today and then I'm off. So yahoo, I get to play with my toys. Alrighty, guys. Have a good one.